What's up guys, we're back with another video. This video I'm going to show you how to use raycasting. Like, you can use this in let's say you have a tool and you want to click somewhere, or like you want to see like how far you can click or the distance or something like that. Or you're just trying to see if a part can see another part. Well, this is what we're going to be doing. So you can put two parts down and a wall. Okay, so I've got my two parts. This one's called the end, and this one's called the start. We're gonna want two parts or two positions, and an extra part in case you want to test it with a wall or something. You can insert a script in Workspace or wherever you like. You can create two variables called StartPosition and EndPosition. Now we're also going to want to create a function called raycast, just like that, and we're going to have like a while task.wait one loop, and we'll do the rayResult is going to equal to over here. What we're going to do is we're going to get the origin, so the origin is going to equal to the start position because we're starting with the start position. Create a variable called rayResult. It's gonna be the workspace raycast, and we're gonna put in the origin. Oh, sorry, I added an e at the end. And the direction is like the start position minus the end position. So you can put the origin minus end position. And the RaycastParams, you don't have to have these, but I'm gonna add them. So local rayParams is gonna equal to RaycastParams.new. The rayParams.FilterDescendantsInstances is gonna equal to a table. This table is basically, let's say you have two walls, but let's say this one's like this one's like glass or something, and you still want the part to see through the glass because you can see through the glass. Then you can call this like glass, and you can insert the workspace.Glass inside of there, and the rayParams.FilterType is going to equal to Enum.RaycastFilterType.Exclude, and you can pass the rayParams like that. At the end, we're just gonna return rayResult like that, and we can print the rayResult if we run the game. Okay, so I just realized something. You have to put the end position before the origin like that. It's because before it was returning a nil value. Well, it wasn't right now. So because it was like going this direction instead of this direction. Just make sure you're doing that. If you run the game, you'll see a table being printed out. You also want to put these variables inside here because it's just saving them, and they're never like reloading variables. Just make sure they are loading. You see it's printing this part right here. If I change its name to like wall, it will create another output called wall, and if you move here, it's gonna call it end, and it shows like distance and everything. So what you can do here is check if rayResult, in case it's like in the game, you'll see ray unsuccessful. If you go here, ray successful, we put the part inside each other. You see there's going to be no ray. Let's say we put the part inside the other part. There's going to be no ray because it's like the position is going back to itself. So that's basically how you do basic raycasting. If you want to create like a part going to the I can show you, if you want a part going to the other part, I can show you how to do that too. Over here, you can create local part equals Instance.new part, workspace, game get service, debris, add item, the part, and this will be like 1 second, and the part.Anchored is equal to true, the part.Color is equal to color3.new, gonna be just bright red, and the part.Size is gonna equal vector3.new, and this is gonna equal to 0.5, 0.5, comma, rayResult.Distance, and the part.CFrame is equal to rayResult.Instance.CFrame. It's gonna equal the CFrame is gonna equal workspace.Start.Position, or it's gonna equal CFrame.new, and it's going to be 2 vector3 values, so this position, comma, the rayResult.Instance.Position. If you run the game, you'll see it's working, but why is the thing going in the wall, or in the floor? Well, it's because it needs an offset, so you can times this by another CFrame.new, and it's going to be 0, 0, ray, or minus rayResult.Distance divided by 2, and if you run that, it should, yeah, as you can see, it's not going in the floor, and it's working, but you'll see if the part that you want it to go to is here, and it's always pointing here. Why is that happening? Well, you can go in the script, and instead of putting rayResult.Instance.Position, you just do rayResult.Position. If you run that, you'll see it's arrived all the way to here. If we move this, it's also moving, and we can actually make the time lower, like 0.1, and the 0. And if we run now, it's going to, you can see it's like only arriving here, but if we, for example, if we put it here, it's arriving, but it can't reach to the other side because there's a wall, but over here it can reach. Also, it also works if you put it like higher and stuff, which is really cool. And it's just why it's printing Ray unsuccessful. It's because it's printing this part. So you can also put like local part, and then the part is gonna equal to that, and then right before, you can just set the part.CFrame equal to CFrame.new 0, 0, 0, and we're also going to check if part then there, and can actually put that like that, and then delete this because you don't need it anymore, and we're just going to be using the same part. See, now it all works. And if we look, there's like a little red thing. If we put it inside, there is no ray. I hope you liked this video. Now I'll put the script in the description if you want. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye.